everyone. So today is the day when I need to get my washing machine installation so I can use it for my laundry business. And I also have like a property business which I ran a studio room for student. So yeah, today it's very busy day. Hello everyone, jadi aku lagi pakai daster. Sebenarnya ini dalamnya daster guys. Nih daster kan, karena aku meeting online, akhirnya aku memutuskan untuk pakai blazer biar profesional aja, biar kelihatannya lebih rapi aja gitu. Jadi aku pakai blazer di meeting hari ini. I'm not only wanting Indonesian viewers, I also wanting foreigner viewers, people that also speak English and understand English. So yeah, so the first thing I was meeting with a guy who is 22 years old. At first I was so shocked because he texting me like, hey, and then I was like, who is this weird guy? I mean, he's handsome guy, but why this guy texting me, hey, like I didn't answer at the time. And then he continued the text like, hey, I'm this, this. So he explaining himself. And then I was like, oh, okay, I'm responding it, and we start the meeting. And I really like his vibe. I really like the vibes between me and him, because it's very, very hard to meet people that have a mix of professionalism and also fun at the same time. Because back then in 2024, I worked with a person that he was born in 2007 and 2005. I forget about it. So he quite younger than me, but he only know about joking around and have fun and stuff. Well, he did a good job at the time. I could say his job is not really bad, but needs to improve. But whenever I start to talk, I need to this done like this, and very, very professional. I am a very perfectionist myself, and I like everything structured when it comes to work. And I'm also very bossy, I could say, like that. And yes, correct, I'm very bossy myself. I'm giving a vibe of cold and not approachable and bossy, because this is like a workplace. What you want me to do, like? But it doesn't mean if I am bossy then I couldn't joke around with my team. Of course I could joke around with my team if you are very interesting enough. And yeah, so basically we talk for 7 hours in the meeting. We talk about jobs, we joking around, we talk about ourselves. He asked me a lot of things about myself, I asked him a lot of things about himself. So we basically getting to know each other. But I already like his vibe, and I hope this thing's gonna make my career grow, make me more money, make my business bigger, and everything just go well as what I plan. I really wish, but I know this is not a big step in my life when I could show you my Porsche, or when I could show you my big house, my big mansion, my jewelry like a diamond or something. But this journey, it's my building journey, which is the foundation that I need to do for my business. And I hope the foundation of my business gonna be stronger, so in the future I could handle a lot of things more. So yeah, thank you so much.